Good afternoon, students. Today we'll start our first session on Telegram app in this group. Our first subject is maths. So I think everyone likes maths. So let's start our first lesson, geometrical figures. In that also today we are going to learn only angles. So how angles are framed, can anyone tell me? I think so. A half of triangle is an angle. Is it right? Yes. Half of the triangle is also called as angles. So both half angles are joined, then it will become an triangular. But how triangular shape becomes? I told you in mental sum that a small dot can make a line. In same way, a small dot can make a shape, and in that shape we can make a both half part, and we can create an angle. So the first picture we can see in this textbook is a slide. On this slide there are red color angles. One is on the slide, one is below the slide. So there are different angles on the slide. Now second picture is house. On the house also you can see a red line. A girl is showing to her father how the angle is made on the ladder. Third picture you can see a tree, but the sister is showing his brother on see here on the branches we can see different size of angles, but it is so beautifully carved na. Yeah. And the fourth picture is an electrical pole. You can see an angle on it also, but can you tell me how the angles are being made there? No, no. Now these first two pictures, first, second and fourth, it has been made by a man. It is a man-made material, but the nature also has been created now, the angles for you, for your that environment also is telling you, see, these are angles, right? See, I have removed some pictures of angles also. See on the table, surface down, you can see, you can make a angle, right angle. And second picture you can make an acute angle. Third picture you can make an obtuse angle. There are three types. I told you right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. You must be thinking like, what teacher is telling? What is right and acute and obtuse? These are three types of angles. These are three types of angles. See, with the hands also we can make an acute angle, obtuse angle and a right angle. You will love morely that you also make right angle, acute angle. Come on, chalo, you all make acute angle. Oh my god, you all are making acute angle. That's very good. Come on, next boy, you make obtuse angle. Very nice. Come on girls, you all also are not less. You all make right angle. I liked it very much. Very good. That means you all have understood right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle, how you can make it. It can be mirror image also. First acute angle, in same way you can make obtuse angle, but the hand will go left side, and same it will be right angle also. Now we will see what is a right angle. When two straight lines intersect each other at 90 degree is called as right angle. Means it is straight, and we know now from where to make 90 degrees. You all have geometrical box. A geometrical box, they have a divider, compass, we have different square triangular shape scales, pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale we have in the geometrical box. In that same geometrical box there is a D shaped scale also.
It's called as protector. So this D shape, it is protector.
In that D shape there is a 190 degree, 180 degree measurement. So in that we can measure it 90 degree, and below that 90 degree we can say it is acute angle, and above the 90 degree we can say it as obtuse angle. An acute angle is the small angle which is less than 90 degree is called as acute angle. I said you know, below 90 degree is called as acute angle, and after 90 degree it is called as obtuse angle. And obtuse angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. But you can see on the D only 180 degree, but below that also there are surface 180 plus 180, it becomes 360. So below that we cannot measure, you have to measure till 180 only to make an angle. If it goes below 180 degree, it will become like semicircle, circle, then it will become full circle. So no use of angle in it. See, we have an example how the angles are made on the scissors also. So you don't touch your scissors, you can tell your parents to show them right angle to make acute, obtuse angle. If you have any window, you can measure it, you can see that it is right angle or acute angle. I think so everyone's it will be right angle only, mostly. Your own textbook or your notebook, if you are writing, is also a right angle.
Students, for watching my video,